welcome to Nature Pulse. I'm Khaleesi, your guide to uncovering the world's hidden gems. Today, we're exploring underrated nature spots that will take your breath away. Destinations where serenity meets unmatched beauty. Get ready to discover these secret paradises. Our first stop is Socotra Island in Yemen, a place straight out of a sci-fi movie. Known for its alien-like dragon blood trees, this remote island is home to flora and fauna you won't find anywhere else on Earth. It's like stepping into another world. Next, let's head to Pfeiffer Beach in California. This hidden paradise is famous for its rare purple sand created by the surrounding cliffs. Imagine watching the sunset here, with hues of violet blending into the crashing waves. It's pure magic. Now, let's travel to Jiuzhaigou Valley in China, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Crystal clear lakes, multi-tiered waterfalls, and snow-capped peaks make this destination a true fairy tale escape. Each season here paints a new masterpiece. Deep in Patagonia, the Asen region of Chile offers dramatic fjords, pristine glaciers, and untouched wilderness. Far from the crowds, this destination is perfect for adventurers seeking solitude and raw natural beauty. Dancing on the kitchen floor, every day's an open door. Laughing till my cheeks are sore, always craving more. Feeling like sunshine, nothing but good vibes. Heartbeat in time with the rhythm of life. Open skies and fresh breeze. Living life is such. Our final destination is the Lofoten Islands in Norway, where Arctic landscapes meet sandy beaches. Imagine hiking through towering peaks with the northern lights dancing overhead. It's an unforgettable experience. These hidden paradises are waiting to be explored. Want to know more about visiting these stunning locations? Check out the links in the description for all the details. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your favorite spot in the comments. I'm Khaleesi, and this is Nature Pulse. Let's uncover the world's secrets, one destination at a time. See you in the next adventure.